Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back again. Thank you all for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Grace and welcome to Affordable Luxe TV. To my old and returning subscribers, welcome. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Thank you all for always supporting your girl. So guys, we have an unboxing to do today. Yeah, all of the Black Friday sales are gradually coming in, so as they come in I do the unboxing straight away. Okay, so I already opened these, but let me show you guys what I got from Coach this time. Okay, so this is from Coach, and this is the return shipping label, should in case the receipt. Yeah, the packaging this time was not good. There's no they just put it in this plastic paper, wrap it up. I know the sales was crazy, so they have to ship out as fast as possible. All right, so let me take off all the stuffings from it so we can get away. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. This is from Coach. Okay, it looks really small. I know I saw all the measurement and stuff online, but this is really small. you know Seeing it in person, it looks really small, but this is so beautiful. I like it though, but I wish it was a bigger size than this. Yeah, that's Brie. I wish it was bigger than this. So guys, let me get all of the info for you guys. Okay, so this is called the khaki. This is the color is khaki black multi, and this is called the pepper. What is that paper? I can't see the. Let me look at the receipt. I can't see it. I can't really tell from there. Yes, guys. I think I have to look for the name. I can't really see the name here. So okay, guys, I finally found the name of the bag. Okay, it's called the Pepper Satchel in Signature Canvas. Okay, this is what the Pepper Satchel look like, and this is the signature canvas. Okay, so it comes in two colors. It comes in this color, and it also comes in like a white leather where you have black here. The leather is white and it's called chalk multi. Okay, and this one is in the refined calf leather. So this is calf leather up here, and this is the signature coated canvas. And the side have that like is kind of snake skin embossed. Okay, so this is calf leather, this is snake embossed leather. Okay, and this is the signature coated canvas. Okay, so it have the snap closure. This is a snap closure. Inside is that fabric lining. Okay, let me take the stuffing out. With one pocket up there. There's a pocket up there. Okay, all right. The instruction booklet. Okay, there's no feet at the bottom with this one. No feet at the bottom. That black calf leather is still at the bottom as well. And this is the adjustable strap. Okay, there's a pocket behind here. There's a pocket here as well. Okay, so let me give you guys the measurements of this Coach handbag. Is really small for me. I thought it was big. Okay, so yeah, I would think I'm going to take this bag. I wish it was a bigger size. Okay, let me don't mess up with all of the packaging, because yeah, I'm thinking of taking it back. Yeah, I would like it to be a little bit more bigger. Okay, so for sizing, should in case you are interested, the top handle is 2 3/4 drop for the handle, and the detachable strap is 22.5 inches, and the length of the bag is 8 3/4 by 6 inches in height and 4 inches in the width. Okay, so that's what it is, and the style number is C1325. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so the other color of the bag, here it is, the color. Okay, it's the same, just that is white multi. Okay, or they call it chalk multi. Okay, it's a pretty one, but just that it's too small for me. So if you like small handbag, this will be a good choice. Okay, it has that Coach tag here as well. Like I said, unfortunately I'll be taking this back. Yeah, I'll be taking this bag. I wish it was bigger than this. Okay, looking at it online, it looks, sizable, but by me seeing it in person, is really small. I don't even know how much things it will fit. Let me see. I have my phone here. It fits the phone perfectly though, and it has still more room. Okay, yeah, let me see if it will fit the Coach full size cosmetic pouch. Okay, I have the cosmetic pouch here. Let me see if it will fit. See, it doesn't go in. So like I said, it's a really small bag. Let me look at the boxy charm and see. This is the boxy charm. Yeah, it will go with the boxy charm. Still have room. Let me see if my phone will go. Yeah, my phone will go in there. So that's just about it. You see, that's just about it. Yeah, I don't. It won't fit a lot of stuff. So guys, it will only take little bit stuff. So just small things you can put in it. So I really love it though. I like this style. I like this big buckle here that says Coach. You know, I don't know. I have a double mind about it now. I might decide to keep it. Let's see. I might take it back. But yes. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll put this all the information in the description. Okay, should in case you're interested, you like to get it. But yeah, so they're very cute bag for date night out, for parties, you know taking your kids to run around, in the park, going out. If you want to be hands free, you can, also wear the crossbody part of it. But yeah, I wish it was more bigger. I would have loved it for a work bag. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please join the family. I do a lot of unboxing videos for affordable range handbag. Okay, and also I do vlogs as well. I also review any other product that I've used and I want to share with you. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.